Hi there, it's Crudi Enric. So I want to make a video to enlighten a little bit the healing journey, because yes, there is a journey for life. We need to be in alignment of the divine source so that humanity cures itself with the 10 commandments and vegetarianity and Crudi veganity, raw foods, raw veganity. So keep going in the journey. You are not alone. We are not perfect, but we have to aim towards perfection, because a perfect life is almost impossible, but a perfect intention is possible. So the crystal of life is there for you to experience this life and learn about the different frequencies in the living form. So enjoy the living foods, love your family, love the animals, love the earth, love the waters, love the trees, love the rocks, and become an example so that we all unite together in this magical world.